In a small town in Manitoba, Canada, lived a woman named Sarah Mitchell. Born into a poor family, Sarah's childhood was filled with struggles most people only read about. Her father worked as a farm laborer, and her mother stitched clothes for neighbors. The little money they earned was barely enough to keep food on the table. Sarah grew up wearing second-hand clothes and often faced ridicule from her classmates because of her background. Despite the hardships, Sarah had one thing that poverty couldn't take away: her belief in herself. From an early age, she promised that she would not let her family's financial condition decide her future. She often told herself, "I may not have money, but I have my dreams, and that is my strength." After finishing high school, she wanted to go to university, but with no financial support, it seemed impossible. Everyone around her advised her to give up and find a simple job. Instead of losing hope, Sarah began working part-time jobs, waitressing, babysitting, even cleaning offices late at night. She saved every single dollar. People laughed at her efforts, saying she would never be able to afford higher education. But Sarah's self-confidence was unshakable. After 3 years of relentless work, she finally managed to pay for her first year of college. Even in college, she felt out of place. Many of her classmates came from wealthy families, driving cars and wearing expensive clothes. Sarah had nothing of that sort, but she carried herself with dignity. Her confidence became her armor. She spoke fearlessly in class, took leadership roles in projects, and never hesitated to share her opinions. Professors and classmates began to respect her, not for her wealth, but for her courage and determination. Sarah studied business administration and dreamed of starting her own company one day. During her studies, she noticed a problem many small Canadian businesses faced. They struggled with marketing in the digital age. She decided to build a low-cost digital marketing agency that would help small businesses grow. Her idea wasn't easy to execute. Banks refused her loans, investors didn't trust her, and many told her she was just a poor girl with unrealistic dreams. But instead of breaking down, Sarah trusted her instincts. With a borrowed laptop and free internet at a local library, she started offering digital marketing services to local shops. Her first client was a small bakery run by a single mother. Sarah's strategies boosted the bakery's sales so much that word spread across town. Soon, more small businesses reached out to her. Within 5 years, Sarah Mitchell's agency had expanded across multiple provinces, employing dozens of people. She became a symbol of hope for many women, especially those from underprivileged backgrounds. When people asked her the secret to her success, she never mentioned money, luck, or connections. She always said, "It was my self-confidence. When nobody believed in me, I believed in myself, and that made all the difference." Her story is proof that wealth is not the foundation of success, self-confidence is. A poor Canadian woman, once told she would never achieve anything, became a respected entrepreneur who not only transformed her own life but also uplifted others around her. Her story reminds us that no matter how tough the circumstances, self-confidence can be the strongest weapon to fight against poverty, prejudice, and doubt.